Hi, Kevin with ScanTech Graphics. We are in our shop today in Kearny Mesa, where I want to introduce you to our latest service offering, high definition prints directly onto metal. So let's get this started and show you how it works. So this process is actually a two-step process. What we do first is we print using our Epson printer onto a transfer paper, which will impregnate the ink into the paper, and then we'll take it to our next step. So here's our print that just came off of the Epson. Beautiful colors, extremely high definition. Well, not so much. The next step is where we see the beauty. This is our second step that we're going to use to get our high definition metal prints. This is a heat press. We're going to take and bake our ink at 400 degrees at about 90 pounds of pressure. And if I've done it right, we should get a beautiful print. So here's our print. This one happens to be done on a matte finish. The aluminum that we use is 0.045 inches thick. We also add a radius corner of 1/8 inch for safety, so we don't have any sharp corners. We also have a gloss finish, which, as you can see, is quite a difference between the matte and the gloss finish. The gloss really adds a shiny pop to it. Since we cut the metal in-house, we're able to do pretty much any shape. So not just squares, we can do circles, rectangles, any size, up to 44 by 60. So we created this beautiful high definition metal print. Now you'd probably like to hang it on your wall. Well, all of our prints come standard with this 3/4 inch thick metal framing system, complete with hanging hooks. In addition, we can also add security screws right down here at the bottom so they don't walk off the wall. The other great thing about these high definition metal prints is their fade resistance, their chemical resistance, their moisture resistance. So these prints are going to last a lifetime, and they can be cleaned with pretty much any household cleaner and maintain their vibrance. Contact us now to see how high definition metal prints can enhance your artwork or photographs.